Hey there guys, Carrie here. I'm gonna venture outside. It's been raining for 2 days and there's a lot of flooding going on here. That's a lot of water. I'm gonna have to do something about that. But since it's raining, let's go check on the chickens and see how they're doing. Hey chickens. You wanna come inside? I think they just realized they made a mistake.
It's too windy and rainy out here for you guys.
I had a whole bunch of plans for today. Today was my day off.
I work 12-hour shifts, so I have to get stuff done on my days off or it doesn't get done, and that's just how it is. And I had plenty of stuff to do today outside.
But I can't get anything done with all this rain. You know, Mother Nature doesn't care if it's your day off. She really doesn't.
Chickens are staying inside for the most part. They're not getting wet, except for this little one wants to venture out because she thinks I have treats. All right. Hey, little mama. What you doing?
So since it's raining, how about I tell you guys what I plan on doing today and show you what's been going on around here. The first thing on the list today was to move the chicken coop and the chicken tractor, but that's not going to get done because everything's flooded.
Yes, George.
Okay folks, so I wanted to show you this area because this is going to be the start of my new market garden. I'm a newbie, I don't know anything about market gardening,
But I'm going to give it a shot this year. So, in preparation for that, I am using my chickens to till up my yard. I was going to lay out my bed lines and put some mulch down, but my yard is a swamp. So we're gonna have to come back and do that again some other day.
So I got a little break in the rain, so I thought I would take the opportunity to see how the chickens like the sunflower fodder experiment I did. So let's let them out. Look what I got. Hey. It's not coming out. Oh, sorry. I can't get it out. Alright, you're just gonna have it like that then. What do you think, guys? That'll work. Chickens like the sunflower sprouts. Going to work on that. George is being camera shy. Chicken fodder. Free food for the chicken. I had big plans for today. So here I am feeding the chicken fodder, the sunflowers to the chickens. Welcome to my homestead.
Chickens are gonna go swimming. You could. So I'm out. Hey, don't peck me. What are you doing? You're mean chickens sometimes. Hey, quit pecking me. Quit it. Quit. Stop pecking me. You too. Don't be sneaking up on me. I see you. George wants my umbrella. Stop it. Just stab it.